So the plenary, alright, we have over the course of this lesson we have looked at different bits of vocabulary, such as budget, bird's eye view map, and sanctuary. We've looked at what a mountain gorilla might need in that sanctuary. We have planned and edited the plan of a bird's eye view map of a sanctuary. So because your next lesson is going to be actually building it from lots of different materials, I need you to think about what you might need to make it. So what do you think you'll need? You might need some card, paper, glue, scissors, pens, paints. What different things will you need to make this animal sanctuary? You might need string, so you can, make something that the gorillas can swing on. You could even use toy animals to put in there. Okay. Think about all the different things that you might need to make this sanctuary.